Next, let's work on the About page. Update the header to match your brand. For example, I want to say About Me. Just matches my tone better. Then, in the body of your content, for your header, say who you are and what the site is about. In the section below your header, talk about why you started the blog and share a brief personal story. Talk about what the viewer will find here and list the types of posts you'll publish. Delete any unnecessary placeholder elements. Optionally, add a personal touch. Include a photo, a tool you love, or a fun fact about you. For me, I'm just going to replace these images. I'll also swap out this top image following the same procedure as before. I can change the position of the image in the container by going to the Position section of the Style tab and dragging the circle. Just like that. Lastly, add a call to action, link to the blog or a popular blog post. I'll put that at the bottom of this content here. I'll search for buttons and use the WordPress default buttons here. Next, I'll link the button to the blog by clicking the link and searching blog. Again, don't forget to save.